Hey everyone, I've got a quick fix for you on how to remove the play between your Accu-Cut sled and the rails. I think that was the biggest complaint I saw on the review video I did a while back on it. So there's about a 32nd of an inch lateral play here. You can see between the grooves in the sled and these rails on the track. All you're going to need to remove that play between the track and the sled is a roll of low friction tape. This is ultra high molecular weight tape. It's a 1/2 inch wide, 10/1000 of an inch thick, and it's 5 yards long. It was $4 on Amazon. I put a link in the video description below. So you flip your sled over. You're going to be looking at these two runners, or the other two if you've got a blade left saw. I've just got this ultra high molecular weight tape. You're going to need 8 3/8 of an inch of this cut off. Now I'm actually going to cut it down so it's not as wide, because we really need just under 1/8 of an inch wide strips. Now we're just going to apply the strip to the inside of this rail. Make sure you've got these rails cleaned first. That's all that really matters. I'm all done applying tape to this sled. I went back and checked the fit a few times and applied more layers. This one only took 1 in this groove. I didn't do this side. And then on the middle here, since I think it's got a little bit looser of a tolerance because it has to fit with this side or this side if it's a left or right bladed saw, I ended up with 1 strip on this side, and then I doubled up 2 strips on this side. So let's check the fit. Put it down on the track. It still slides nice and smooth, so you don't have any binding from the extra tape. This rail over here is rock solid on that groove. There is absolutely no play in this one. And then there's a tiny bit still in this rail, but I think it's less than a 10/1000 of an inch, which is the thickness of the tape. So I'm going to leave it, and I think since this rail connects straight up to the saw right here, and you got the sturdy portion of the plastic, I'm not going to have any issues with this having a slight tiny bit of wobble in this one. So there's the fix. I hope this is going to hold up a while. The tape seems to be pretty sticky. If it does come off though, I have plenty of tape. This was 5 yards. I only used 8 inches out of it. So we've taken care of the wobble between the track and the sled, which I think is the biggest number of complaints I saw on my review video. The second biggest number of complaints was the track isn't long enough. It's only got a 50-inch cut capacity. Well, Kreg solved that issue. They listened to us. They came out with an expansion pack and an Accu-Cut XL. So if you buy the Accu-Cut XL, that's everything in it. You've got a 100-inch cut capacity. The expansion pack gives you a 100-inch cut capacity if you have the original Accu-Cut. Kreg sent these over to me to review, so in the next month or so, be on the lookout for a video on how they perform with the extra 100-inch cut capacity and how to set them up if you've got the original Accu-Cut. So hopefully that helps fix the issues with your Accu-Cut, and let me know if you have any questions.